If you're looking for a powerful, just released AI software that can revolutionize your digital marketing strategy, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of echowin AI and the 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you decide if it's the right tool for you. First off, echowin AI is designed to streamline your marketing efforts, saving time and boosting your efficiency. But what sets it apart? It's not just about automating tasks. It's about enhancing the quality of your campaigns in ways you might not expect. What makes this tool stand out is its ability to generate hyper-targeted content. You might think that AI content creation tools are all the same, but echowin AI takes personalization to the next level. It analyzes your audience in depth and customizes copy that resonates deeply with them, giving you more than just generic text. The result is higher engagement and conversion rates, essential for any digital marketer looking to stay ahead. Another major selling point is its advanced predictive analytics. With echowin AI, you're not just guessing at what works. You can predict trends and understand customer behavior with pinpoint accuracy. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to get ahead of the curve and optimize campaigns in real time. Imagine having the insights to create campaigns that are almost guaranteed to hit the mark every time. The user interface is another aspect where echowin AI truly shines. It's intuitive and easy to use, which means you don't need to spend hours learning how to navigate the platform. Everything is laid out logically, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your content and strategy. Plus, there's a wide range of customizable templates that will speed up your content creation, whether you're writing emails, social posts, or full-scale marketing campaigns. One of the most impressive features is its deep integration capabilities. echowin AI integrates seamlessly with tools that most marketers already use, like CRM systems, social media platforms, and even analytics dashboards. That means no more manual transferring of data or hopping between apps. Everything works together effortlessly. The flexibility of echowin AI is something you'll appreciate as well. Whether you're a small business or part of a larger enterprise, this software scales with your needs. From running automated ad campaigns to personalized email sequences, it adapts to various strategies and goals, making it versatile for a wide range of businesses. But let's not overlook one of the most exciting aspects: speed. With its AI-powered algorithms, echowin AI can produce content in seconds. Gone are the days of waiting around for drafts or battling writer's block. This software accelerates your content production and helps you stay consistent, which is key when building your online presence. Finally, there's one feature I can't leave out: affordability. Despite its robust capabilities, echowin AI is priced competitively, especially when you compare it to other tools in the same category. If you're just getting started with AI or looking to upgrade your current tools, this software is a fantastic value. I encourage you to try echowin AI for yourself, absolutely free, no strings attached, through the first link in the description below. It's one of the most exciting AI tools I've come across, and I'm confident it can bring significant value to your digital marketing efforts. And before you go, I've also listed a few of my top recommended AI software options in the description, tools that I've personally tried and tested after experimenting with thousands of AI solutions. These tools have helped me streamline my workflow, and I'm sure they'll benefit you as well. If you're serious about improving your digital marketing, echowin AI is a must-try, and don't forget to check out my other top AI recommendations in the description. Happy marketing!